Okay, guys, I'm back. So I managed to get, after a lot of figuring out how to get in there, this is the back of the air fryer. Okay, look at the grease buildup in there. Look at all that. That is horrible. And that's what I was saying. It is so important to see how you can clean this out to prevent any fires. And goes down in here. This is inside the unit. And this the top here. This is the top where the burner is at. And all this is the back of the machine. Now I have to try and take this casing up. I pretty much got it loose, but I can't figure out there's something holding it back, and I haven't figured out how to do that. So, as you can see, it's a fire hazard, in my opinion. Now this is the inside of the oven. And this is the part that I'm concerned with. Look at that. That is terrible. So, wish me luck, and I will keep you posted as I progress through this. Alright, guys. Well, seems like I can't get to the, forgive me, left my TV up. Volume is muted a little bit. This is the top of the oven on the inside. So you can see how bad it is. I'm not sure how to get to all that. But this is really, really, really dangerous, as you can see. Because all that's going to do is melt, melt, melt. I've tried to take these off, but there's no way I can do that. So, if you have one like this, just be aware that this is the mess you're going to have, and you're going to have to stay on top of cleaning. I thought it would get this bad, but here we have it. So I guess I'll wipe what I can wipe and try and close it back up. Hopefully I get all the screws in the right spot, but this is not good. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause one more time and see if I can clean this up.